It's time to Ask an Expert, where we tackle everyday home improvement topics to help you better understand your home. Today, as normal, I'm with Greg Cantor from Murray Lampert Design, Build, Remodel, and our resident expert. Greg, great to have you on the show.
Thank you.
So today we're talking about price versus value, huge topic in home improvement.
Right.
First, let's define some terms. Price, what do we mean by price?
Well, obviously price is what you pay for the goods and services.
So price is what you give away, it goes out, and value?
Value is what you get out of it, and that could be personal value or resale value.
Value in the home, a lot of different ways to define value or different components to it. So let's get into the price versus value equation, because it's a huge thing that I don't think people consider enough. Do you see people, and I hear about it all the time from our pros, making decisions in home improvement based solely on price and regretting that?
I don't see that so much. I mean, everyone wants to get a good deal, but especially for a major home remodel, there's a lot of factors that go into it, a lot of variables. There's the quality of the materials, the service, the warranty, how long it's going to last, the design. There's just so many things that I think people do their research and really look into what they're going to get for their money.
So you're seeing more people doing that research, which is great to hear. That's
right.
Great. Because the danger, if you make a decision based solely on price, is, well, let me ask you, are oftentimes things called the same thing, but maybe dramatically different in terms of the quality or the value they bring?
They are, and people are not going to see what those things are until they're installed.
What are some examples? What are some products that are?
Plumbing fixtures, cabinets, the finishes. That's a big place where, corners can be cut that are eventually are noticeable or over time are not going to hold up.
Another area that I've seen it is, we have Brian Milhelm from SunPower by Milhelm on the show today, is a 12-panel system is not the same as another 12-panel system, if necessarily, right?
100% correct.
So somebody may make a decision based solely on the price, but regret later because the value they got is dramatically.
Right, and the other question is, if somebody quotes a low price, at the end of the day, are they really paying that low price, or are there going to be changes and additional costs that come up along the way?
And things that they regret, because it's cost of ownership over time. If you have questions or want to see more from our experts from previous segments, or if you have a question, submit it by going to ApprovedHomePros.com in our Ask an Expert section.